Are you struggling to manage your data in Excel? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to show you how to organize and manage your data using some helpful tips from ChatGPT, an artificial intelligent chatbot. In order to do that, I have prompted, "Hi, I have an expense tracking table." The table contains data as follows: date from A3 to A12, category B3 to B12, description from C3 to C12, and amount from D3 to D12. I would like to organize and manage this data. Can you assist me to do that, please? In a dialog box. ChatGPT came out with two possible solutions. One of them is creating another table manually and using SUMIF function, while the other is pivot table application. Let's try both. Let's start with organizing your data. If you have a table that contains data such as date, category, description, and amount, you can create a summary table that shows the total expenses by category. To do this, select cells F2 and G2, and enter category and total expense as column headers, respectively. Next, enter the first category name in cell F3, and use the formula SUMIF in cell G3 to calculate the total expenses for that category. Copy the formula in cell G3 and paste it into the rest of column G to calculate the total expenses for all categories. Now, let's move on to managing your data. You can use Excel's pivot table feature to analyze your expenses in different ways, such as by date or category. We exactly followed what ChatGPT told to create a pivot table. Here are the tips what ChatGPT instructed. Select the entire table, A3 to D12. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, make sure the range is correct, and choose whether to put the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag Date to the Rows area, Category to the Columns area, and Amount to the Values area. The pivot table will show the total amount spent for each category and each date. You can use the filter and sorting options to analyze your data in different ways. Once you have created the pivot table, you can use the filter and sorting options to analyze your data in different ways. And that's it. With these tips from ChatGPT, you can organize and manage your data in Excel like a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.